Ever wondered what goes into making one of the most legendary rifles in the world? Our journey begins with the raw materials. We're talking about the highest grade steel alloys, specifically chosen for their strength and durability under extreme conditions. These massive blocks and rods don't look like much now, but they're the foundation of the HK416's legendary reliability. The first major step is barrel and receiver. Using immense pressure and heat, the steel is shaped into its rough form. This process aligns the grain structure of the metal, creating a component that's incredibly resistant to wear and tear. Now we move into the heart of the factory, the CNC machining floor. This is where precision takes on a whole new meaning. Computer-controlled machines, guided by sophisticated software, begin to carve out the intricate details of each component. We're talking tolerances measured in micrometers thinner than a human hair. The upper and lower receivers, the bolt carrier group, every single pin and spring is milled with absolute accuracy. This level of precision is crucial. It ensures that HK416, whether it's the first or the 1000th off the line, functions identically and flawlessly. One of the most critical stages is the creation of the barrel. The HK416 is famous for its cold hammer forging process. A polished steel blank is placed over a mandrel that has the rifling pattern in revert. Then, powerful hammers strike the outside of the barrel, compressing the steel around the mandrel. This not only forms the rifling, but also hardens the steel, resulting in a barrel that offers exceptional accuracy and a remarkably long service life. After forging, the barrels are chrome-lined, providing superior corrosion resistance and making them a vital feature for soldiers in the field. With the main components machined, it's time for heat treatment and surface finishing. This is a crucial step that gives the parts their final strength and resilience. Different components undergo specific treatments to optimize their properties. For example, parts that experience high friction are given special coatings to reduce wear and ensure smooth operation. The iconic black finish of the HK416 isn't just for looks. It's a protective layer that guards against the elements, from humid jungles to sandy deserts. Next up is assembly. This isn't your typical assembly line. Highly skilled technicians with years of experience hand-assemble each rifle, more like watchmakers than factory workers, each component with care and precision. Every part is checked and double-checked as the rifle comes together. This human touch ensures that any minor imperfections are caught and corrected, guaranteeing the quality that Heckler & Koch is famous for. You can see the pride they take in their work, knowing that lives will depend on the reliability of these firearms. Finally, we reach the most exciting part: quality control and test firing. Every single HK416 that comes off the assembly line is taken to the on-site firing range. It's subjected to a rigorous testing protocol. It's fired with different types of ammunition to ensure it cycles perfectly. It's accurate to make sure it meets the strict military standards. They even perform overpressure tests, using special high-pressure rounds to confirm the structural integrity of the rifle. Only after passing every single one of these brutal tests is a rifle given its serial number and cleared for shipment. And there you have it, a rare glimpse into the world-class man who produces the HK416. It's a symphony of raw power, advanced technology, and human craftsmanship. This dedication to quality is why the HK416 is a weapon of choice for the best of the best. It's more than just a tool. It's a promise of reliability when it matters most. Thanks for joining us on this incredible factory tour. If you found this fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of elite engineering. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.